rear differential, Toyota Tundra. Same thing could happen on Tacoma or other trucks possibly, but the thing with these is that the rear cover, well, there is no rear cover. The differential is all, cast and welded as one piece, so you'd have to cut that off and then re-weld on a new back cover if you want to change it. So, because they made it out of thin metal, eventually it starts to rust through and have little pinholes. So I'm cracking off right now all the old sealant or JB Weld or whatever, epoxy or whatever this is that the last person put on to try to fix the issue. Now I'm going to wipe this off, and there's still fluid in the differential here, so you might be able to see the drips coming through, but there looks like they're coming from 3 spots. And you can't leave it. I mean, it's dripping too fast. I left like a 2-liter with the top cut off under it for the weekend, and a 1.5 liters drained out. So after sanding it down, here's the pinholes. Can you see them? They're really hard to see. There's like 6 of them probably in there, and just very tiny, like the size of a ballpoint pen or less. And put some new JB Weld or epoxy, metal stick epoxy on there, and it's doing well so far. Filled it up, did a test drive, no leaks, so hopefully it'll last for a couple years.